Stop trading until you learn price action. Most traders think they understand it, but they are actually looking at market structure. Let me show you the difference, because this will change how you trade. And now, to really lock in what price action is, I want you guys to look at this chart right here. And remember what I said earlier, when you look at a chart as a whole, you're actually looking at the market structure. So for example, right here, you can see that we have a nice trading range right here. We have like a strong breakout from the range. Here we have a resistance level, and here we have a support. So when you just look at this, you're actually looking at market structure. But now you might wonder, what even is price action then? Well, price action is all about what the price is doing or was doing when the price reached a certain level. So for example, when the price, you can see that we had a resistance right here. When the price reached the resistance once again, you can see that this price action is very different, or in other words, the price behaved very different compared to the price action right here, right? So for example, right here, we can say that we had, a very calm price action. You can see that the candles were going sideways. The market didn't react a lot. We can say that the price action was calm or non-aggressive, and so on and so on. While the price action, right here we had a very sort of strong price action. We can say that we had lots of momentum, or we had aggressive buyers. So price action is all about zooming in on what is the price doing right now. You can ask questions like, how is the price reacting to the resistance? How is the price reacting to the support? Rather than looking at the price as a whole. I usually think about price action as micro. Micro basically means that you're zooming in, while I look at market structure. So market structure MS, I look at as macro. Macro basically means that you zoom out. But alright, so now let's switch the attention a bit, because alright, so this video was actually just a super short clip from our full price action course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all in the full course very soon.